Hello friends, I hope you're enjoying the summer and crocheting beautiful things. I must admit that I haven't been very productive with crochet this summer. I'm not sure if it's a lack of motivation, inspiration, new ideas, or simply that life has been getting in the way. I do continue to crochet, but I'm taking it slowly and focusing on small projects that don't put any pressure on me. For example, it took me about a month to complete this Lacy Bandana. Normally, I could finish a project like this in about a week. Today, I'm sharing the third and final part of this tutorial series, where I'll show you how to add the ties and crochet a simple edging along the top of the bandana. In part 1, I showed you how to crochet the simple 2 round motifs and join them together using the join as you go technique. In part 2, I demonstrated how to crochet a half motif to create the triangular shape of the bandana. I really love how this slow, relaxing project turned out. I enjoyed making each colorful motif, and it feels wonderful to have the project finally completed, even though it took longer than usual. Each motif measures approximately 2 by 2 inches. The finished bandana measures 22 inches across the longest side of the triangle and 10.5 inches in height. Each tie measures about 12 inches long. This crochet piece can also be worn as a hip scarf, adding a beautiful pop of color to your summer outfit. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy crocheting! I finished the lacy triangle for the bandana. And now I'm going to make ties at the ends over here and here. To do that, I chained 70 chains. Here I have 70 chains. This is gonna be the length of the tie. And now I will be crocheting into this longest edge or longest side of the triangle. Over here I have a paddle, and inserting the hook under the 4 chains over here, I make a single crochet, and this way the chain gets attached to the bandana. And into the same space right here I work 2 more single crochets. 1, 2. So over here, over this paddle, I have 3 single crochets worked. Next, I have a treble, and into this space, inserting the hook under the treble, I work 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, I have the circle, and inserting the hook into the circle or into the ring, I make 1 single crochet. Next, I have a treble again, and here I make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is a paddle again, and inserting the hook under these 4 chains, I make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. And then I begin to repeat. This is the next petal of the next half motif. Inserting the hook under 4 chains, I make 3 single crochets. Then over here, into the space under the treble, I work 4 single crochets. Into the circle or into the ring over here, 1 single crochet. Over here again, 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here where I have a paddle, under these 4 chains, 3 single crochets. And that's how I'm gonna continue crocheting all the way across to this side. I crocheted along the longest side, and now at this end I'm going to chain 70 so that I have a long chain the same length as this one. So I simply chain 70. I chained 70 over here. Now I turn my work and I'm going to work a row of single crochets, working them into each one of these chains. So I start with the second chain from the hook, and I'm gonna work into the back humps of the chain, but it's really up to you how you want to work your single crochets. So I make a single crochet into each chain across. So simply working a single crochet into each chain. I made a single crochet into each chain, and now I'm gonna continue crocheting over here, making a single crochet into each single crochet. I made another row of single crochets over here into the edge of the bandana, and now I will continue crocheting, making a single crochet into each chain across over here. Here I worked a row of single crochets. Now I turn and I'm gonna make one more row of single crochets. First making single crochets right here, and then along the edge of the bandana, and then into the single crochets of this second tie right there. So all I'm gonna do now is work one more row of single crochets and then fasten off.